Well, in the state of California, there are more than 6.5 million people who are uninsured. It's a healthcare system that many say is broken. Well, there's a nonprofit organization that wants to ease the burden for those who have fallen on hard times in this economy. Californians for Patient Care offers low and no-cost healthcare services in their communities through the internet. Here to explain exactly how it works is Carmella Gutierrez. She's the president of the California for Patients Care. I know you're from Sacramento. Thank you for making the trip down to the Valley to talk to us today, Carmella. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. Thanks for having me on.
Sure. Let's talk about this. Is it a program? Is it something through the website? What exactly is it?
So Californians for Patient Care is an independent nonprofit organization that's working to make healthcare easier for people in Fresno and Kern County, the Central Valley, and throughout the state of California. What we offer is to connect people to low-cost or no-cost resources throughout their area. So for example, you can come on to calpatientcare.org, type in the city that you're looking for, example Fresno, and you can find about 300 resources throughout the Central Valley that offer primary care services, dental, vision, even links to mental care services, veterans, you name it. We've got it. We do the legwork for you.
That is really easy. You're making it easy for people. And when you say you offer this type of these type of services, it's the low-cost services for those people that may be uninsured?
Definitely.
Okay.
So we offer low-cost or no-cost healthcare resources. So if you're out of insurance right now, and as you mentioned, right now in the Valley we have about 1 in 4 people without insurance. Think about that. It's pretty scary, right? If you've just lost your job, you're confused about what my options are, where do I go, where do I turn to, how do I shop for insurance, what are my options? calpatientcare.org can help you sort through all of that information. And if you click on a blue button, it's called, the blue button when you get to our website, you can find low-cost or no-cost services in Fresno or Kern County or wherever you are in the Central Valley.
And you will get information on services such as you mentioned, primary care clinics, vision, dental, mental health. There's also children's, seniors, or veterans care services available as well. Homeless shelters, anyone that's concerned about obesity, diabetes, etc., and then obviously Medicare and Medi-Cal. You offer information on that as well.
We do.
Okay.
Whether you're looking for information, if you're turning 65, if you want to find out how to shop for insurance, if you're looking for information about obesity, diabetes, or any kind of preventive care services, we can connect you to that at calpatientcare.org. The idea is that people do have options and they can get the preventive care they need before they end up in an emergency room. So we want people to get the right care at the right time, and we've done all the legwork for you.
Yeah.
We make it easy.
Good, because that's exactly your mission, making it easier for people. In different ways you make it easy as well, not just with the information, but it says here, it even shows you how to prepare for a visit to the doctor,
right,
if you don't have insurance.
That's right, and a lot of people who just find themselves without insurance for the first time and who are going to there are 155 health centers or community clinics in the Central Valley. And if you've never been to one of the things that you might want to think about is calling ahead, make an appointment. You might have to bring proof of identity or income. And then also we recommend, for example, to prepare for your visit, bring your list of current medications. Know your history, get your list of surgeries, any allergies, know your patient rights. That way when you go into your visit, you're fully prepared to have the most effective and productive visit, if you will, with your healthcare provider.
And it is
Sure. www.calpatientcare.org.
Okay, calpatientcare.org. Your advice to people, because I know that obviously we would all prefer to be preventative.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And it's touched you as well, right, with your history, and that's how you got involved with this. But your advice then to people because of it all?
We want people to know that they do have options. Come to calpatientcare.org, learn about whether you have diabetes, obesity, learn what your options are for low-cost, no-cost resources. Get the right care at the right time before you end up in a healthcare crisis in an emergency room.
All right, sounds good. And just really quickly, I know we're out of time, but what if we don't have a computer at home?
You know what? We want you to go to a library, go to a center, grab a neighbor, find somebody who does have a computer these days, and get the care that you need. It's really simple. calpatientcare.org can help make healthcare easier for you.
All right, Carmella, thank you so much for offering us that information. Thank you very, very much, and we hope that people visit calpatientcare.org. All right, have a safe trip back.
Thank you.
All right.